Hey boys and girls, it's Mrs. Walker. For our lesson today, we're going to continue and build upon what we learned in our previous lesson about equal groups. To now we're going to bring in some addition to go along with those equal groups. So our learning goal for today says, I can use drawings to represent equal groups and relate the groups to repeated addition. So the materials that you'll need for this lesson are your dry erase board. You'll need 20 counters. If you want to use your red and yellow ones, you can. All right, so make sure you grab those before we get started. All right, so friends, here, how can I find the total number of counters that I have modeled here? What could I do? Well, we could count them, right? Or we could add them. Well, let's add them. So how many counters do I have here? Yeah, 3, right? How many counters do I have here? Also 3. How about here? Oh, 3 again, okay. And then how about here? 3, yeah, because they're in equal groups, right? There's 3 in each group. So what's our number sentence to find the total? Yeah, this guy right here, that's our number sentence. So we just used repeated addition, friends. When you use repeated addition, you're adding the same number over and over again to match your number of groups. So here if I have 3 plus 3, I know that that's 6. Then 6 plus 3 more equals 9. Then if I have 9 plus 3 more, that equals 12. So I have a total of 12 counters. So 4 groups of 3 equals, 12. So say the complete sentence. So that would be 4 groups of 3 equals 12. How does the number sentence relate to our model? So 4 groups of 3 equals 12. How does that relate to our model with our counters? Well, one way is the 3 stands for how many are in each group, right? And then there are 4 groups of 3, so that's why we added 3 4 times. And then there's 4 3s in the model and the addition sentence. So since the groups are equal, we can use repeated addition instead of counting one by one. So now it's your turn. So here's my picture of an artist. We're going to need to be efficient with our math. So we're going to draw circles instead of other shapes. So right now, we're going to take away our inner artist for this one, and we're just going to use circles for our drawings, okay? That'll help us be the most efficient, and we won't spend time drawing these cute little pictures of cars or flowers or stars. Just draw your circles to count for your pictures. All right, so I want you to draw 5 large circles to represent the groups. So here's 1. You're going to draw in all 5 and then pause, draw in all 5 and then click play when you're ready for the next step. Okay, so it should look just like mine. Make sure they're larger circles so you have space to be able to draw inside of them. All right, pause if you need more time. All right, so now we're going to draw 2 circles in each group. So pause the video. Just like I did, or just like I show here, draw 2 circles in each one, and then click play once you've drawn 2 in all 5 of the larger circles. All right, pause if you need more time. Otherwise, here's what your drawing should look like now. 5 large circles with 2 circles in each group. So draw a line under each group. So just like I did here, draw a line under each group and then click play when you're ready for the next step. All right, friends, so here's your 5 lines that you should have. What number are you going to write on each line and why? We're going to write 2 on each line because there's 2 in each group, and each line goes along with each circle. So go ahead and pause the video, and you're going to write the plus sign in between each group as you go. So it'd be 2 plus, fill that in, and then click play when you're ready for the next step. All right, friends, pause if you need more time. Otherwise, here's what you should have. Plus 2, plus 2, plus 2, and plus 2. So let's write our repeated addition equation. So we'd have 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. I think I got all those. Let me say it again. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2. For me, friends, it's really helpful when I say it to be able to put my finger and touch those as I say it so I read it correctly. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals, then we have to figure that out. So let's read our equation. 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals. So we know that 2 plus 2 is 4, and 4 plus 2 is 6, and 6 plus 2 is 8, and 8 plus 2 is 10. Good job. So 5 groups of 2 equals 10. Pretty cool. All right, so let's draw groups of 5. So draw one group of 5. So pause the video, draw one group of 5, just like I have here. All right, pause if you need more time. All right, so now add another group. So pause the video, add another group, and then click play when you're ready for the next step. All right, here's your other group. Now draw 5 more than that. Pause the video, draw 5 more, and then click play when you're ready for the next step. All right, so here's 5 more. All right, so how many groups do we have? We have 3 groups, right? 1, 2, 3. How many in each group? 5 in each group, you got it. So write the repeated addition expression for this problem. So pause the video, write your repeated addition, and then click play when you're ready to go over it together. All right, friends, pause if you need more time. So here we have 5 plus 5 plus 5 equals, I know that 5 plus 5 equals 10, and 10 plus 5 equals 15. So 3 groups of 5 equals, 15. So 3 groups of 5 equals 15. We can also say it as 3 5s equal 15. They're both saying the same thing. All right, so now you guys are going to work on this independently in the application problem. So here's your problem. Myra sorts her socks by color. She has 4 purple socks, 4 yellow socks, 4 pink socks, and 4 orange socks. You are going to draw groups to show how Myra sorts her socks. You're going to write a repeated addition equation to match. And then you're going to solve for how many socks does Myra have in all. So pause the video, draw a model, write a repeated addition equation to match, and then solve for how many socks she has in all. All right, friends, pause if you need more time. Otherwise, here we go. All right, so I'm going to start with my equal groups. Now I'm going to kind of just talk about this. My colors are not going to match what I'm saying, but the numbers will. So my first group is 4 purple socks. Then my second group is 4 yellow socks. My third group is 4 pink socks. And my last group, fourth group, is 4 orange socks. Okay, I just happen to use my yellow counters, but just know that that's where those are coming from. Okay, my repeated addition sentence would be 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, because I have 4 groups of 4. I know that 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 equals 16, because 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 4 more is 12, plus 4 more is 16. So Myra has 16 socks in all. Did you guys get that too? Okay, awesome. All right, friends, so you guys got this. You did an awesome job using drawings to represent equal groups and relate the groups to repeated addition. So please head back on over to the module to see what you need to complete for your independent practice. As always, if you have any questions, please let me know. I'd be more than happy to help. And I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Bye, friends.